Hi everybody. Today we're going to do lesson 820. 8 oh, 8-20. And we're going to be talking about the slope, which is M, of lines parallel and perpendicular to a given line. Okay, so it's a very long title for something that's very simple. Okay? Ooh. So, I'm going to give you a little picture here. I'm going to make an XY axis. I'm going to make this as neat as I can. Okay, here's my X and Y axis. And now I'm going to write in blue, I'm going to give you a line. There's the line, so we'll call that L1. So that's the given line. L2 is the line parallel, okay? So what does that mean? That means if the slope of this line that they gave you first is, say, 3, so M equals 3, well, the slope of the line parallel is also 3. We've talked about this already. So M equals 3. Now here's the new part. I'm going to make an XY axis. Oh man, hold on. Okay, so this is my XY axis. I fixed it. Now I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to draw this line here. Whoops, I wanted it to be in blue. This blue. Okay. This is my line, given line. So that's L1 also. Now, what I'm going to do is draw a line that is perpendicular to this line, the given line. Ooh, I did a pretty good job there. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to say the slope of the given line is 3, just like the other problem. Now this other line here, so this line that's perpendicular, I'm going to put it in yellow now. It can't have the same slope because look, one slope is positive and one slope is negative. So it can't have the same slope. But we know that if the first one was a 3, the second one has to be a negative something. Well, what happens is not only is it a negative 3, but it becomes a negative 1 over 3. It gets flipped, or you use the reciprocal and you change the sign, so it's the opposite reciprocal. So that is going to be negative 1 over 3. Okay? So let's try a couple of problems like that. We're going to make 3 columns. So we're going to talk about the slope of a line. Okay, so this is the given line. Make columns. We're going to talk about the slope of the line parallel, excuse me. And then we're going to talk about the slope of a line that's perpendicular. Okay, so let's get going. I'm going to give you the same one that we have in the pictures up here. So our first slope was 3, right? M equals 3. Blue. Blue. I want blue. Okay, M equals 3. Okay, the slope of the line parallel is going to be the same, M equals 3. The slope of the line perpendicular is going to be different, okay? So that's going to be, well, this is a positive, so we're going to have a negative. Now, we also have to take the reciprocal. So 3 is really 3 over 1. So the reciprocal of 3 over 1 is 1 over 3. So that is the slope of the line that is perpendicular to the original line. Okay? All right, let's do it again. Different question. How about m equals 2/3? All right, so the slope of this line is 2/3. The slope of the line parallel would be the same, so 2/3. The slope of the line perpendicular is going to be change everything. Opposite, so change the positive to a negative. I want to put this in a different color. So the m equals not a positive 2/3, but a negative, and then flip it, 3 over 2. All right, next one. M equals negative 4 over 5. Okay, so the line that they gave you has a slope of negative 4 over 5. The line parallel has a slope of negative 4 over 5. And the slope of the line perpendicular, well, that's going to be the one that's every opposite reciprocal. So m equals, instead of negative 4 over 5, we write positive 5 over 4. Let me rewrite that. 5 over 4. Okay? All right, one more I'll do with you, and then you are on your own. So m equals negative 5. All right, the slope of the line that is parallel to this line is m equals negative 5. The slope of the line perpendicular is m, oh, I wanted a different color. My goodness, it won't let me do it. Black. M, forget it, equals, okay, we're going to change the sign. Negative becomes positive, and then it's a 5 over 1 becomes 1 over 5. We want to change it to a fraction so we can flip it. And that's it for today, except for now you have to try some problems on your own. So I'm going to write some down. Just continue down the column. Okay, so here are your problems to try. You're going to write the slope of the line parallel, meaning the same slope, and you're going to write the slope of the line perpendicular, which means the opposite reciprocal, opposite flipped slope. So hit pause, try these out. When you come back, the answers will be there. Okay, here are my answers. If you have any questions on this, hopefully you got these right, but if you have any questions, come online from 11:30 to 12. I'm there every day. Okay, thanks. Have a great day.